In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create newsletter on LinkedIn. If you want a simple way to share recurring updates, build credibility, and stay visible with your audience on LinkedIn, creating a newsletter is a great option. The setup only takes a few moments, and once it's ready, you can start publishing content your followers can subscribe to and receive on a regular basis. To begin, go to LinkedIn and make sure you're on the main feed page. This is the starting point for accessing the newsletter tools. If you're already logged in, you should see the familiar home feed with your navigation options available. From there, look for the newsletter section and click on it. This area is where LinkedIn groups newsletter-related features, including existing newsletters and the option to start a new one. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to scan the page carefully, since LinkedIn's layout can sometimes vary slightly depending on your account type or recent interface updates. Once you're in the newsletters area, click on Create Newsletter. This will open the setup page where you can define the basics of your new publication. Think of this as the foundation of your newsletter, so it's worth being clear and intentional with the information you enter. Now, enter your newsletter details. You'll typically need to add key information such as the title and other basic settings LinkedIn asks for. Choose a title that clearly reflects the topic of your newsletter and makes it easy for people to understand what they can expect. If there's a description field, keep it concise but specific so potential subscribers immediately know the value of subscribing. This part matters because it helps set expectations and can make your newsletter more appealing to the right audience. After you've filled in the newsletter details, review everything once before moving forward. A quick final check can help you catch small mistakes, improve clarity, and make sure the newsletter looks polished from the start. When everything looks good, click on Done. That will complete the setup process and create your LinkedIn newsletter. At that point, your newsletter is ready and you can move on to creating and publishing your content. As a helpful tip, try to keep your topic focused and your publishing schedule consistent, since that makes it easier to grow an engaged subscriber base over time. And that's it. That's how to create a newsletter on LinkedIn quickly and easily.